Hi there, students. Eureka! Eureka. Okay, this is an interjection. Yeah, this is an exclamation saying that you've actually discovered something. You've actually found what you were looking for. So I've been looking for my keys for hours, and finally when I found them, Eureka! Yeah, I was really happy to find them. So Eureka, this is an exclamation saying that of triumph on finding or discovering something or being successful. So I've been trying to start the car for about half an hour, and I've been fiddling with all sorts of different things. And Eureka! Finally, I managed to start it. So Eureka! This is the moment of success. This is the moment where you have been successful. So you're using Eureka to show that you've been successful in doing something you've been trying to do for ages. Yeah? Yes! Eureka, that's the phrase to use. Okay? It's a cry of satisfaction when you discover something. Yeah, so you could have a Eureka moment. Yeah, this moment where you actually get insight into something, where you actually finally understand something. That Eureka moment. Yeah, and you feel really, really good. You've been thinking about something, you've been thinking, and how do I, that's the Eureka effect. Yeah, it's this moment when the answer to a problem suddenly becomes clear. Yeah, so it's this transition between not understanding, I don't understand, and then spontaneous comprehension, spontaneous understanding. And it's suddenly obvious. That's your Eureka moment. Aha! Yeah? Okay, you feel really, really good about it, and it makes you feel wonderful. Yeah, you've been stuck with this problem for ages, and then suddenly, Eureka! You found the answer. Eureka! This is the way to do it. This is what I should have done. Okay, so let's look at the origin of this one, because the origin of this one is rather fun. I have a feeling it's a bit of an apocryphal story. Let's see, this Eureka, this is attributed to Archimedes. Yeah, but apparently Archimedes was in his bath. Yeah, a big tub of a bath, and he was looking, and he noticed that when he sat down further in the bath, the water level went up, and then he suddenly realized that the amount that the water went up was exactly the same as the amount of him that went into the bath. And therefore, you could use this to measure the volume of an irregular object with great precision. And this had been a really, really difficult problem before. Yeah, how to measure it. So apparently he jumps out of his bath, absolutely stark naked, and he starts running through the streets of Syracuse in Italy, saying, Eureka, Eureka. Yeah, it means, and this is from the verb, well, this means I have found it. Yeah, it comes from the Greek word Eureka, meaning I've found it, I've discovered. Yeah, from the verb heurisco, I find. This is related to heuristic. So in Archimedes' apostrophe S, excitement, he forgets to dress, and he runs through the street straight out of his bath going, Eureka, Eureka, I've got it. And that's the origin of this word Eureka. As to formality, I would give it a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. So there you go, Eureka. Yeah, that Eureka moment where you realize you can actually speak English. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Eureka.